G'day everybody. I'm just in my studio testing a new gold, kind of really super gold color. So I've just got a coaster here. This is what this gold looks like. Just to show you. Hang on, I can't even see what I'm doing. Where am I? You see? Oh, here. Oh, duh. Okay, so look at that. There's just a tiny little bit. It's not a powder, it's not a paste, it's kind of powdery paste. I don't know, we'll see. So I've mixed some of the clear resin, obviously. This one apparently mixes really well with water, alcohol, pretty much anything. So we'll see now how it mixes with resin. I've put it in there first. Oh yes, so I only put a tiny little bit because I'm only going to do a tiny little bit. I'm guessing where you are because the camera is pretty low so that you can see. Oh wow, look at that. That's really pretty. Real pretty. Okay, let's mix up some black. I just might get another container. Just want to get rid of some of that clear and then mix my black in here. This is just Midnight Black by Le'Rez, of course. In you go, just to have that a nice base that I need. Mixes super well. Mixes super well, as you can see. So I'm just going to pour that straight over. I'm just doing the black and the gold, just so that you can. Hi, Alex.
Just taking me mug.
Okay, this is just my son popping in.
And now I'm popping
Say
out.
hello.
Hello.
Bye. I'm just testing this new gold, Alex. It's a super gold. No, go. There's the camera over here. Oh, can you see yourself? Oh dear.
Cool.
See that? Check this out, Alex. Check this gold.
Oh, it's very gold.
Yeah, it's like real gold, isn't it?
It's like those people on Guardians of the Galaxy 2, those gold people.
The gold people.
Call it Guardians Gold.
Oh, there you go. The Guardians Gold. Did I tell you guys that Alex came up with the Le'Rez name? He's a very clever boy. I was just thinking and trying to figure out what to call the business, you know, what to call, how to brand this gorgeous pigment, and he just came up with Le'Rez. Why didn't I think of that? Okay, so I'm just gonna pop these bubbles a little bit. Like I said, this is just the MDF coaster. I haven't so stop recording. That's so annoying. Okay, so I've got the gold on there. I'm gonna go with the torch and see what happens. Like I said, this is not an epoxy gold. Wow, it's amazing. Oh my god, I think I finally got a really cool gold. Give me a second, I'm gonna go get another coaster. Okay, I'm back. I've got another coaster because I just need to pour some of that. Can you see that? Yes, you can. Just want to see what it looks like when I just want to bring it a little bit closer so you can see what's going on there. It's looking pretty cool. And so now I'm just going to pour it over this way maybe, just to see how it stretches. That looks like actual real gold. If you're into gold, this is a gold for you. Okay, so that's kind of moving. It's sitting nicely on top of that black. And it's not merging too much. It's just kind of sliding over the top of it. That's wow, amazing. I'm just going to go around now and swirl it. Just let it do the whole circle. Wow, look at the shine on that gold. I'm really excited. You guys have no idea how long I've been searching for a really cool gold. Okay, so I'm going to leave it at this now. I'm just going to kind of get some more heat onto it, just to pop the bubbles. And there's a pesky thing over here that I need to dig out. I always get them. Okay, so that's really cool. I have to pop something underneath here because it's pulling to this side. My table hasn't been leveled, so okay, so I've got some more here. Let's see how it works with clear. Just gonna whack some of this clear on there. Straight on. I haven't primed it, guys, so when you're doing your artwork, prime your MDF and even paint underneath to stop, because you get a lot of air bubbles pop up. But because I'm just doing this, is just a test, a real quickie. I'm just gonna kind of spread this around. That gold is absolutely amazing, and you know, gold and black are just a great combination. So I'm just spreading this out that way, just to get some coverage. Ooh, I'm spilling now. I wasn't thinking there, was I? So I've got some more of this gold, and let's see what happens now when I pour over this clear, and just go there a bit. Oh my god, this gold is amazing. See, I don't know if you can see, I'm going to put some more over here. Oh, I've got some cells. Just going to add some more here. Just because I've mixed so much of it, just to do the two things. And then I might even get the heat gun. Give me a sec. Okay, so heat gun is here, just on a low setting because I don't want it flying everywhere. Oh. Looks really cool, really cool. I love it, because I don't know if you can see that, but all the gold kind of specks sitting on top just looks like real gold to me. Love it. On black, looks awesome, and I reckon it would even look great with red or purple, any real deep color. It would look wonderful. So I've got some stuff happening there, just swirling it, because I like to swirl these things and create some kind of depth, which is what you get. Can you see that there? And all those darker, kind of more golden specks, it just looks like it's sitting on top, which it is. Okay, I might just play with it a little bit more. I might just do some of my lines, just to, you know, see how that works. It's great because I love to see those kind of effects that you get. And just to camouflage, oh my god, that is awesome. I'm just camouflaging the plain MDF underneath there. Look at that. Might do the same with this one, just to make them look similar. One's more golden, one's not. One's more black, one's more golden. Got cells. I'm just going to use up all this gold now, because I don't like wasting it. And then just do some more swirlies. And then I'll bring you a bit closer so you can see. Wow, that is so amazing. Oh my god, I'm so excited and so happy. So happy. Did I say I was so happy? I am. I really am. Gonna bring you down now so you can have a look. Okay guys, here it is. I'm just trying to find an angle so you can see how amazing this is. There's some little cells here that just appeared. You've seen what I did. I mean, I just swirled it around a little bit. And the gold, it's just, I don't know how to explain the actual shade of gold. It just looks like gold. It looks like real gold. And it definitely has the sheen, and it's definitely creating beautiful depth, and it's not mixing with the other color. It's doing its own thing, so it's really cool, really cool. Okay, so that looks really light. I'm not sure, it's too wet now to move, but when it kind of dries up a little bit, when it sets a little bit, I will move it and maybe put it in the light so you can see what it looks like. And here's the actual, what it look. Oh God, let me just get this thing out, it's in my way. Okay, can you see that? That is gold. Wow, sorry, I'm just mesmerized. Wow, I love it. Love it, love it. Okay, so let me see if I can put it in the sun and see what it looks like in the sun. Look at that. So cool. Alrighty, so that's that. Hope you liked it, and hopefully soon I'll have time to do a real bigger piece so that you can actually see how it looks. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That just happened all by itself. Cool. Alright. Let me know what you think. Bye for now. This one here. Oh, try to lift it up. So here it is in the sun. Look at that. And see all that webbing and... Oh, let me zoom in. That webbing and... Wow, look at that. That's really amazing. And now go in the shade kind of thing. There you go. Look at that. And it is not picking up the actual color of the actual gold, but you know, if you love gold in jewelry, this is it. It looks exactly the same. Look at that stuff. Really cool effects. Really cool effects. So I will be getting some more of this and putting it in the shop, that's for sure.